Hello guys, ito nagpalit kami ng board na to, ng ESMO board. So kailangan din natin i-update yung system. So power on. Kailangan natin ng isang USB guys na program ng ESMO for updating. So tingnan natin kung procedure ng pag-update. So kasi ito yung invalid configuration sinasabi niya pag bagong board. Utilities, system update 6,000. Check. See, loading. Why not detecting your USB? Now it's coming. System update. Version is ito na yung bagong version guys ng mga yung sa ESMO board 2.098. So yung dati niya is 2.0 something. So confirm. Installation is in progress. So ito yun guys yung dating
blue, yellow and red LED is also
line out, light on. So ito guys ito yung dating sira natin na walang display na cost ng ESMO board. So ito yung pinalitan ng bago. Dumating na yung bagong board. So in-install. So kailangan lang natin yung mag-update ng software. So, ganito kasi guys, sa mga ganyang ventilator, pag nagpalit ka ng bagong board, kailangan ng update. So, include naman yan doon sa software board na pinadala. So, we are in progress for updating. So, sana pumasa.
You see the utility before?
Yeah.
It was 2.0.
2.0.50. Now it's 2.1.4, the utility. So meaning it's also include the utility. So the system is 2.0.98. So, ayan. So ito nga pala guys, kailangan mo rin ng USB na SLE. Yan, SLE USB. Kahit na din dyan mo ilagay yung software nya na download sa website nila. So kailangan naka PAT32 yung USB. Formatted din PAT32. So ayan. Kasi pag ibang PAT guys, hindi rin madidetect dito sa machine. Matagal-tagal din siya mag-update. So, this is ESMO boards, ha?
ESMO.
ESMO. Ito guys, ito yung ESMO board. ESMO. So 60%. So ito nga pala guys, pag nag-update ka, ito yung nag-read oh. Yan. Yung data. Yung controller board. So habang nag-update ka, kakount din yan. Kasa matapos. So ito nga pala guys, dalawa ang USB dito. Isang USB controller ng Aerogen, tsaka isang USB data export. So dito mo lagay sa data export. Huwag ka dito. So malapit na siyang matapos. So sana successful. Yes. Should be successful. Medyo matagal-tagal din siya guys mag-update. Now it's completed. And then we need to restart the ventilator. Completed already. So restart. Press. So remove USB, then on again. Okay. So sana wala na siyang error. Ayan. Sana wala na siyang error. Okay, now pneumatic type requires verification. Please run engineering utility. So engineering mode. So need requires to update.
Do you remember the password?
Password for the utilities.
You send me in the yellow pages. You send me in that.
I have here, no problem.
It's there in service manual.
Yeah, this one is. So we should change something there.
Okay, didn't tell me anything to change.
I think no need to change. No need calibration. Need 2 point, no, 2 point calibration is this oxygen, that one. What they're telling there, module is not connected. Pneumatic unit set to HFO, high frequency. We go to John pneumatic diagnostic, all is 0. Product setup. System calibration. No need to calibrate, I think, sir.
You didn't mention anything.
Yeah. Just after we install the program, yeah, restart then. We need to run the pneumatic also.
That's the service one.
Huh? Check that one, the email. What they're telling. Service button. Then 0.
Here. Select pneumatic type 2 tab.
Yeah. Password.
The ventilator
Engineer mode.
should be set to
Service mode.
It is set to HFO, khalas.
Huh?
He's telling here.
It's already in the HFO, sir.
Yeah, pneumatic type. The ventilator should be set to HFO. Pneumatics unit set to HFO. Restart the ventilator.
Restart. It's already in the HFO. Then turn on again. No,
Broke. Connect the gases.
no more error.
Go to the engineering mode.
So engineering mode.
The system information. Now everything is good. If something is there, it will highlight.
Yeah,
Now our version is 2.0.
2.08. The system
This is the
configuration.
latest one. And just connect the gases. Will close and then we'll keep it on soft test.
So ayun guys, kinonic natin yung gas. Kinonic natin. So mag-try tayo ng ventilation mode. CMB. So start. Flow sensor is not connected. Okay, wala tayong flow sensor guys, hindi tayo nagko-connect. So continue without flow sensor.
Right.
Reset.
So we cannot use the existing ribbon cable, huh?
Existing ribbon cable can be used, but you should in the right configuration. It's the same.
Is the same?
Yeah, it's the same. You can use the cable, other cable,
How?
but only should be this red one, the red color should be one. See, one there, and also there in his board also a one. So it can be used.
So it's a matter of connection only.
Only this is the matter of connection only from the both end.
Cable is the same.
Yeah, cable is the same. That's the matter of connection only the both end. Because we are not relying on the number. Ayan guys, okay na siya. So natin sa try natin kung taas natin yung auto. Now they change the
You remember my first question was at that time about the cable when the new boats doesn't work. Did I ask? I asked, can we? Is it possible for the?
yeah, because we are confused because it was pit even reverse and if you can reverse the wire, it was working also. It will fit also in the connector. But there is a number.
The design should be.
So the red color should be in the number 1 in the P18 connector P18.
You would have designed in such a way that the reverse connection should not be set.
No, you cannot reverse the wire. You cannot reverse the wire.
The connection still can be reversed.
Can be reversed, but should be proper numbering. If, for example, the red color is in the one, should be in the ESMO board also is.
If they use a connector which cannot be reversed, then this problem will not be arise.
Yeah.
Orientation.
The orientation of the wire only, the connector. So now it's okay.
You're still lucky, engineer. You're still lucky.
So layout, we can change the layout. Look, train.
Not board the board. Every connector.
No, not this one.
Some like that board.
Yeah, it will work.
You're very lucky, engineer. You're still lucky,
So this parameters was changed. No, this the layout. How can we change this layout?
You use a flow sensor, it will change.
Huh?
You have to use a flow sensor. The layout, you mean the graph for flow and volume?
Yeah, this one it will not see.
You should use the
Okay. No. Yeah, it's okay.
flow sensor.
It's okay. Only this one if you are not using flow sensor. There one.
Once you have flow sensor connected,
Yeah. I
then you
know.
will get flow and volume.
So, ayun. Okay din. So, okay na siya. So, yung parameters 30, 15, PIP, PIP, 4.6, okay. So, it's okay na. Okay na yan.